Okay, a double slit interference pattern is observed on a screen 1 meter behind two slits spaced 0.3 millimeter apart. So 10 bright fringes span a distance of 1.65 centimeter. What is the wavelength of the light? Okay, so this is about, okay, first identify, is this about double slit? That means the two slits, or single slit, one slit, or many slits, diffraction grating, or thin film. So look for keywords. So here it says about double slit interference pattern, and then two slits. So this is about double slit formula. So you must remember the double slit formula. Okay, which is this one, double slit formula, bright fringe use m lambda d over d for ym, and then the dark fringe use m plus half lambda d over d. That's the formula. And then the order start from 0. Okay, start from 0. Now, okay, so information given is this is screen 1 meter behind the two slits. I mean, this is the distance of the screen. Okay, that's the big D. Okay, yeah, distance of the screen. And then 0.3 millimeter, that one is separation between the two slits. Separation between the two slits is a small d. Be careful with the unit, it's millimeter. And then he said 10 bright fringes. 10 bright fringes span a distance of 1.65 centimeter. So this is related about the y, yeah? That means the y, the delta y. It involves the things about the delta y, yeah? So how many delta y is this? How many delta y is this? There are 10 bright fringes observed on the screen. 10 bright fringes. Like one here, this screen has how many bright fringe? You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Only 7 bright fringe. How about 10 bright fringe? If 7 bright fringe, you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are how many delta y? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 7 bright fringe, you have 6 delta y. So how about the 10 bright fringe? You must have 9 delta y. 9 delta y should be. Let us draw it out, and then we can see. Yeah, let us draw it out, and then we can see. And then what is the wavelength? Here it asks for lambda. Okay. So first of all, this one is things related to the related to the delta y things. So okay, so but it's not delta y. Okay, so first of all, we must know this 1.65 cm, it spans a distance of 10 bright fringes delta y. So we need to check out. Yeah, let us draw it out first. Let us draw it out. Okay, let me draw it out. Yeah, so okay, let me draw it out for you first. Yeah. Okay, so here I have drawn for you 10 bright fringes. As you can see, how many bright fringe you have? I have one. I start from here. I start from this one as the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you have 10 bright fringes here. You have the 10 bright fringes here. So he say this 10 bright fringes span a distance of 1.65 centimeter. That means this distance, yeah, 10 bright fringes span a distance of from here up to here. Understand? This 10 bright fringes from here until here. Yeah. Oops, what is this? Again. Yeah. So from this one, from here until here. Understand? So this is 10, 10 bright fringes span a distance of 1.65. So 1.65 cm is this one. This is 1.65 centimeter. Understand? So how to relate 1.65 cm to delta y? Delta y is actually just a small part. Yeah, delta y is just this part lah. Delta y. This is delta y. Delta y. The delta y is delta y. Delta y is a separation between consecutive bright fringe. Delta y is which is lambda d over d, is the separation between two consecutive bright fringe. Separation between two consecutive bright fringe. That is delta y. So how many delta y are there in 1.65 centimeter? Okay. For 10 bright fringes, how many delta y? Okay, so let us check it out. Yeah, let us check it out. So how many delta y? So calculate 1. This is considered 1, and then this one as 2. Yeah, okay, let me draw it out. Yeah, okay. Now you see, this is the 10 bright fringe. I just want to put below here. Yeah. All right. So delta y, you can actually check like this. From one bright fringe jump to another bright fringe. One bright fringe jump to another bright fringe. That is 1 delta y. So how many jump are there? So here you have 1 already. 1 jump, and then 2 jump. Okay. This is 1 jump is 1 delta y. So 2 jump is 2 delta y. Okay. So we have 1 delta y, 2 delta y, 3 delta y, 4 delta y, 5 delta y, 6 delta y, 7 delta y, 8 delta y, 9 delta y. So there are altogether 9 delta y. Understand? So for 10 bright fringes, you have 9 delta y. Understand? 1 delta y, 2 delta y, 1 delta y, 2 delta y, 3 delta y, 4 delta y, 5, 6. Maybe I can write over here at the top here. Okay, you have 1 delta y, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you have 9 delta y. That's it. 9 delta y for 10 bright fringes. Okay, so I think you understand already lah. Yeah, you have altogether 9 delta y. Yeah. So this we can say that this 1.65 cm is actually equal to 9 delta y. 9 delta y. Okay, so and then what's the formula for delta y? What's the formula for delta y is lambda d over d. Okay, lambda d over d. This delta y is the same formula for both bright fringe and dark fringe. Understand? So okay, let's continue. Okay, let's continue. So we know that 1.65 centimeter is actually equal to 9 delta y, and then we know that delta y is lambda d over d. Okay, and then this centimeter you need to change to meter lah. So it is 1.65 exponent negative 2 meter. Change it to SI unit. Okay, centi is exponent negative 2. And then delta y is lambda d over d. Okay, so 1.65 exponent negative 2 meter, and then 9 times what's the lambda? Lambda is we need to find the lambda. And then what is the distance? 1 meter away. And then what is the separation between the two slits? 0.3 millimeter. Millimeter need to change to meter, so it's 0.3 Milli is exponent negative 3. Milli is exponent negative 3. Okay, so I can find the lambda. Let's calculate. Yeah, let's calculate. 1.65 exponent negative 2 multiplied by 0.3 exponent negative 3, and then divide by 9, divide by 1. Okay, so what's the answer? My lambda is 5.5 exponent negative 7 meter. So if I change it to nanometer, it is this one 550 exponent negative 9 meter. Actually is 550 nanometer. Because lambda normally in nanometer. Yeah, lambda is normally in nanometer. But you just leave the answer in meter lah. SI unit is okay already. Yeah. Okay. 3. Okay, so that's it. Yeah. So you see the answer is in nanometer. 550 nanometer. Yeah, 550 nanometer. 550 nanometer. That's correct. That's the answer. Yeah, or you can just leave it the answer in meter. Okay. So that's it for this question. Okay, hope you understand. Bye.